guys, welcome back. Man, that thing is super loud. Wow, it's all bone stock engine. Nothing tuned up, nothing fancy about this engine. It's a straight 6. The only thing that different is cutless and a straight pipe. So when it idle on the cold start, it really loud. It's just clouds for about 3-4 minutes, and after that, when it gets warm, it slowed down, it dropped the idle, and it's quiet. But if you press the gas, it opens up loud, and it kind of like wakes up the neighbor, and that's not good. So if you have one of these vehicles, your neighbor will kind of hate you. So be careful. On this video, I'm gonna show you what's going on here. So let's get started. We're gonna be doing this wheel liner right here, the first half of the wheel liner. The other half is on here already. There's no hardware, it's just kinda mocked up, lined up. And then you can see there's nothing on this side because it's right here. It's right there. Here's the part number. And I had to buy hardware for these because I can't find mine. It was at the other shop, body shop. They can't find it. So here's that speed nut right here, a plastic speed nut. And then a bolt right here with the built-in washer, self-tapping bolt. So this is a 2020 Supra. You had seen this before. We had a damage right here. Now it's good, perfect. I'm gonna go back to the body shop for the final check of the body install. And there we go. We got the thing washed up in the previous video. I'm still missing this plastic right there on that side. It was in the body shop. They can't find it, so I think they're gonna be owing me one. I'm gonna order one in from the dealer. It will take like 2 weeks to come in. They had to order it from US. Here's the other half of the wheel liner, and then the other half will be installing it. So we have to take out this tire, bolt it down. There we go. In this video, we're gonna install a wheel liner. Let's go. So before we start taking it apart here, this is what it looked like. This is the first half. That's right there. And then the back half is installed, but we still need to put the hardware so that we will lock everything in place. So we're gonna just line it up, mix all the holes, line up to the stud, and then we'll start from there. Alright guys, there we go. Here's the first half. It's still loose right there. See how there's no nut right there, that speed plastic nuts. We got to install those here. Push pin retainers right here. There's 3 or 4. And we're gonna put the front half of the liner on this side to cover all this up. Alright, so it's right there. Let's get started. Alright guys, solid, strong. So push pin retainer right there, down there, 2 more right here, and then 3 right here. Push pin retainer, and then there's a couple more bolts up here that needs to be tight, and then 1 right there. But we're gonna have to wait for another piece to come in to cover this up, and then we'll bolt it down with this hole right there. But on the front, solid, strong. Same thing on the back right here, solid. 4 of those push pin retainer right here to make it nice and flush, clean, no gaps. Perfect. That's it. Wheel liner on the Supra. Not bad. Now we're gonna have to bolt it down, adjust this bumper a little bit, this gap right here. We're gonna adjust that, and then just bolt it down with the 8mm sockets right there. Alright, so that's it. Not bad. It's pretty easy if you have all the tools and all the nuts and bolts, just like this. This is the back, that's the front. 2020 Supra. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. That's it guys. See you guys again on the next one.